Dash cams are helpful in determining what actually happened at the time of the collision, but they sometimes don't get a full scope of the overall accident scene. So if the dash cam does capture someone T-boning you, that's quite helpful because they're not going to be able to argue that you were at fault. But if the car collision, or if the injuries or the car collision occurs off camera, well, then that dash camera is not helpful. More evidence is better. So if you have a car collision and you have a dash cam, make sure you keep that information, so that you're looking at it from 3 months, 6 months out. You'll be able to accurately depict what happened during the car collision, what led up to those events, and you can show people how everything happened. If you're injured in a car collision, give our office a call. We'd love to help.